In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a deposit in QuickBooks Desktop. If you need to remove a deposit from your records, QuickBooks Desktop gives you a straightforward way to do it. This is useful if a deposit was entered by mistake, added to the wrong bank account, or needs to be corrected before you record it again properly. As you follow along, take a moment to make sure you're working in the correct company file and that you're deleting the right transaction, because removing a deposit will affect your bank register and your financial records. To begin, go to the Banking menu at the top of QuickBooks Desktop. From there, select Use Register. In some versions, this may also appear as Check Register, but it takes you to the same place. This register is where you can review transactions connected to a specific bank account, including deposits. Once the account list appears, choose the correct bank account and click OK. This step matters because deposits are tied to the account they were posted into. If you open the wrong register, you may not see the transaction you're looking for, so it's worth double-checking before moving on. Now find the deposit you want to remove from the register. You can scroll through the list and look for the amount, date, or other transaction details to help confirm that you have the right one. When you find it, double-click the deposit. This opens the Make Deposit screen, which is where you can edit or delete the transaction. Next, go to the Edit menu on the very top toolbar. In that menu, choose Delete Deposit. If the deposit contains multiple payments and you only want to remove one of them rather than deleting the entire deposit, choose Delete Line instead. That option is helpful when only part of the deposit needs to be corrected, while the rest should remain in place. After making your choice, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will then ask you to confirm the deletion. Select Yes to finish the process. Once confirmed, the deposit or the selected line will be removed from your records. After deleting it, it's a good idea to review the bank register again to make sure the change appears as expected. If needed, you can then re-enter the deposit correctly, and that's how to delete a deposit in QuickBooks Desktop.